Good day, my name is Daniel Gwezuba. I'm representing Farm Smart Solution. Due to poor rainfall, 70% of sustainable farmers in Zimbabwe don't reach their full potential. There is plenty of land, but it lacks water for irrigation. It's either there is no electricity for irrigation or there is high cost for setting up an irrigation system. Coupled with low rainfall and climate change, farmers are facing low yield before or below their targets. As Farm Smart Solution, we have identified a gap in A1 farmers or communal farmers, especially those who are failing to reach their full potential. Our aim is to meet future food demands by 2030. Imagine if 70% of sustainable farmers could produce twice as they are producing. It means we can achieve zero hunger, no poverty, sustainable cities, and even a good economic growth, which is in line with the Sustainable Development Goals and even the Vision 2030. The solution here is a smart pivot, which is solar powered and uses polypipes, which reduce production costs to make it affordable to farmers. The whole system makes use of wireless sensors in the field so as to know the actual sector to irrigate at any given time. The sensor gathers information such as soil moisture and uploads it to a cloud save. Powered with artificial intelligence and with IoT capabilities, the pivot can be controlled wirelessly over the internet, and it can gather data for future irrigation based on the time and the types of crops. Using cloud computing, the IoT platform gives the farmer a schedule for irrigation based on weather prediction, climate action, and the location of the farm. The pivot can also be used for chemical and fertilizer application. One might wonder what is unique in our system. What is unique in our project is that each sprinkler is controlled wirelessly so as to avoid flood irrigation, which means different parts of the field are irrigated automatically based on their water requirements. In return, the farmers' yields are increased by 70%. We have used around 1,000 RTGS in developing the wireless sensor and also in designing the pivot control. The pivot controller is advanced since it uses DC current from solar, and also it has IoT capabilities, which means it can be controlled over the internet. Our marketing analysis. Targeting small-scale farmers who occupy about 21 million hectares of land, we want to produce 100 units in our first year. The target market also includes large-scale commercial farmers in Zimbabwe, which is about 665 farmers who occupy about 4% land of the area of the total arable land in Zimbabwe. With a target of 100 units, we are looking for a startup cost of $50,000 to mass produce. Most of the money, about 40,000, will go into buying raw materials and 5,000 for establishing a workshop with a few machinery such as welding machines and even production line. 3,000 will go for operational cost. Each pivot costs $500, and to mass produce, will need $500 for each unit, and each unit can cover up to 1 hectare of land, and it will be sold for 2,000. And for 100 units, we will get a revenue of 200,000 in the first year. In 5 years, we will grow across Africa with an estimated revenue of 6.8 million. For 1 hectare of land, the farmer would pay $3,500, of which 2,000 will go for the system, which also includes solar panels, and 1,500 will go for borehole drilling and casing. With this team, we have an aim to improve the lives of farmers and towards a prosperous and empowered upper middle income society by 2030. Our project will increase the yield of farmers and make an impact in the agribusiness, well earning every dollar. I thank you.